Assemble the b70 support and the b70 support connector. Each joint tightened to M535 inner hexagon 3 combination screws, a total of 8 pieces. Assemble another connector. Connect the other half of support. It can be snapped right through the gap. Place foot pads on the bottom for joints. Tie each foot pad with 3 nylon cable ties 10x100, a total of 12 pieces. The extension of the cable tie faces the ground. Assemble for longitudinal beam arm carbon tube fixed parts on for cornice. Tighten each fixed part with 2M410 inner hexagon 3 combination screws. Connect the supports with the fuselage. Align the hole between fuselage and support. Each corner tighten for M414 inner hexagon screws. Install a water pipe C-seat 8 million on the other side at this time. Also install a seat here. Fix with M414 inner hexagon screws. There are 3 C-seats on each side. Install the other side support in the same way. Tighten one M414 inner hexagon screw in each of these 2 positions at the bottom of the 2 sides. Install for b70 shell wire slot components at the 4 corners of fuselage.